It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Look at all those lovely colors in the rainbow. Morning, Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Porky Pigs. Morning, cow. There's Honk the car. Honk and Swo-Swoosh are going to play a special game today. Are you ready, Swo-Swoosh? Close your eyes, calls Honk. I spy with my little eye something that is yellow, says Honk. You can open your eyes now. The clouds, says Swo-Swoosh. But Swo-Swoosh was wrong. The clouds aren't yellow. The clouds are white. I know. The baby ducks are yellow. Clever, Swo-Swoosh. The baby ducks are yellow and nice and fluffy. I spy with my little eye something that is bright red, says Swo-Swoosh. Oh, that's easy. The piglets, calls Honk. No. Honk was wrong. The pigs aren't bright red. They're a pink color. I know, I'm red. Yes, you're also red, Honk, giggles Swo-Swoosh, but you can't fly. At last, Honk saw the bright red, beautiful butterfly. I Spy is such a fun game to play. I spy with my little eye something green, calls Honk. Come on, Swo-Swoosh. Honk has given you an easy one.
I know,
calls Wriggly the worm.
the grass is green. I'm also green. I'm a green wriggly worm.
Honk and Swo-Swoosh told Toot about the game they were playing. Toot also wants to play I Spy. I spy something white, says Toot. The waves are white, shouts Honk. The clouds! I spy something blue, shouts Swo-Swoosh. Honk and Toot tried to guess the answer. The sky is blue. The sea is blue. I know. Swo-Swoosh is blue, calls Honk. Honk and Swo-Swoosh played I Spy with Toot for the whole day. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.